I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying battery health and power delivery so you know what to fix. Open the OS battery report and note percent capacity, cycle count, and age. This shows whether replacement is needed. Next, test the adapter. Confirm voltage and stable connector contact. Use a spare adapter if available. Remove peripherals and boot first on AC, then on battery to isolate the problem. Once done, record symptoms, sudden drops, slow charging, or thermal shutdowns, because those guide the next steps. You now handle software and calibration to fix inaccurate reporting and drain. Update BIOS, chipset, and power management drivers so charging algorithms work correctly. This often resolves slow or stuck charging. Then tune your power plan. Lower screen brightness, shorten idle timers, and set CPU maximum to 80% for heavy tasks to reduce draw. Finally, calibrate the battery by charging to 100%, discharging to shutdown, then recharging to 100%. This helps you finish with physical fixes and a troubleshooting tip to confirm success. Power down, unplug, and reseat the battery and its connector. Replace if swollen or corroded. Clean dust from fans and vents. Replace dried thermal paste to reduce throttling that shortens battery life and ensure proper airflow. Retest charge cycles and run a battery report. If problems persist, try a known good battery or take the laptop to service. Make sure to capture error codes and symptoms before you hand it over, because that speeds repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.